You've seen the tutorials. Point Claude Code at Ollama, set 3 environment variables, boom, local AI coding. 5 minutes, easy, except it doesn't work. It works for saying hi. But try to actually build something. Ask it to create files, scaffold a project, loop through tasks, and nothing happens. The model says it did things, but check the file system. Nothing's there. Here's why. Claude Code uses structured tool calls, JSON blocks that say read this file or write this code. A third party's Anthropic adapter doesn't produce those blocks. It generates text that looks like a tool call, but Claude Code receives it as plain text and ignores it. You're watching the model hallucinate that it's coding. I tested Ollama with 3 different models. Same result every time. Fake tool calls. But there is a fix for that. It is a project called vllm-mlx, a small inference server for Apple Silicon that speaks the native Anthropic Messages API and can run MLX models quantized for the M chips. Real tool use blocks. Real tool results. The agentic loop actually works, all optimized to run on your Mac. The setup is 2 scripts. Clone the repo, run install, and you get a command called cclocal. That's it. Watch. At first run, it will download the model. Get a coffee. It's about 5 gigs for Qwen 3.59b, which runs great on a Mac. To start, type cclocal. It launches everything into one session that doesn't affect the global Claude Code setup. You are pointing local only here. Now I ask it to create a folder with a file inside. See that? It called the right tool, not text about calling the right tool, an actual tool call. The file is on disk. Let me prove it. There's the file with the joke I wanted. Making this work meant solving a bunch of problems that nobody else has documented. 3 big ones. Number 1, Ollama, LM Studio, even plain llama.cpp can't produce real tool calls and keep up with Claude agentic loops. Okay, you get it. Number 2, Claude Code's attribution header invalidates the KV cache, making everything 10 times slower. We want the magic happening on your laptop, right? Number 3, with plugins enabled, Claude Code sends 259 tool definitions to a 9 billion parameter model, which obviously chokes the poor local instance. The repo documents all of this, and the scripts handle it automatically. The repo is at github.com, link in the comments. Clone it, run install, launch on a Mac, obviously. If you recognize Claude Code working in a more traditional way, you've got it local. For real this time.